In this video, I will show you how to write a bonus check in QuickBooks Online. Now, first thing we need to do is enable the bonus check for the employee that you want to pay the bonus check. So first we need to do is go to the payroll section and then from here click on employees. After that you have to select the employee that you want to write a bonus check. And from this screen you will be able to see all of your details regarding your employee. Now you have to scroll down and find this section, how much do you pay, and your employee name, and then you will find this link, add additional pay types. So you just have to click on it, and then this window will appear. From here, under this common pay types, you have to check on this bonus tab, bonus item, and then you have to just simply save it. After you have enabled the bonus check, you need to again go to the payroll section, and from there you have to click on this arrow right next to the run payroll button, and after that from this menu you have to click on this bonus only. Then after that you have to select how would you like to enter your bonus amount, as net pay or as gross pay. So just select the option according to your needs. Then you just have to, on this screen, you just have to enter the amount of your bonus that you want to pay to your employee, and then you can also write a memo to it if you want, and then simply click on this submit payroll button, and then it will ask you to confirm this bonus check details. So just click on again submit payroll, and that's it, your payroll has been submitted to your employee. You can also print pay stubs if you want by clicking on this button. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.